How to use Midjourney word weight in your AI art promotes. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Midjourney server, and here you have to go on the newcomer rooms, and here you have to type the backslash imagine promote. Here you have to create the images with the Midjourney promote, and after that you have to add up your requirement. I am adding aliens walking by the city street with the UFOs. After that you have to click on the create. Now you have to wait for it to create, and as you can see the image has been created. Now in this you can also add your word weight in your AI promotes. For this what you have to do is repeat the same process. Go on the new room and click on the message. And add the imagine promote, and here you have to add the same statement. After that you have to add some colons and some numbers. After that aliens colon colon 5, UFOs 1, and skyscrapers 2. Also the yellow and the 0.5 colons. Once you add it, you have to click on the create and wait for it to create. Now as you can see the image has been created with the weight words. So yeah, this is how you can use Midjourney words weight in your AI art promotes.